Hi family, good morning. Good morning from wherever you're watching me from. Come and eat oh. This one is called Ebu Uzo Ebu Yum. Nikki's kitchen. Nikki's what? Kitchen. I made this soup yesterday night though. Late at night. So that's what was hungry me. Actually, one thing people don't know about me is that I love swallow so much. Me and swallow 5 and 6. Believe me, this is so sweet. One that is better, stronger, faster than those pesky spiders. When I done, they see me finish now. See finish. Oh well.